feel when I make a funny face? Make a funny face. Let me see a funny face.
Ray, can you show me your word?
I'm gonna take a word.
There you go. All better.
All right, everybody, 4.
Make sure you're sitting the graduated cylinder down and reading the meniscus. It has to be at 50, and you're only putting one solid object in at a time. And then remember, we're subtracting the differences. The big, show me big again. The big cow load, the little, show me little. The little pig squeal. L on top, G on bottom, please. Good job. You guys are doing great.
What color was he? Yes. Oh, he made a picture of your head.
How many?
I don't really know yet, but it looks pretty good. I've been waiting on it. Look at Iron Man. Look, John Cable.
I can read that, yeah. Remember that this is just your practice. Hello, YouTube. The Y says yes. The Y says yes.
All right.
Ding.
All right, Ramon, who did you pick?
Send.
Let's send flowers and a card to Grandma.
And what was the reason why they liked indoor recess? Ayan?
Because they got a lot of toys.
Say the word is game. What's the first letter in game? G.
We're listening for the duck sound.
Want to take a picture?
So pretty, isn't it?
What's an adventure you went on this summer?
I went on an adventure to Kansas.
Have a great year!